Kitchen. A room where food is prepared and cooked. I spend a lot of time in the kitchen. The kitchen has a large window for sunlight. Stove/cooker. A device used to cook food. She turned on the stove to boil water. The gas cooker heats up quickly. Oven. A device used to bake or roast food. I baked a cake in the oven. The oven is perfect for making bread. Refrigerator/fridge. An appliance to keep food cold. I put the milk in the refrigerator. The fridge is full of fruits and vegetables. Microwave. A device that heats food quickly. I reheated my lunch in the microwave. The microwave makes cooking faster. Pan/frying pan. A flat container used for cooking food. She fried eggs in a pan. The frying pan is non-stick. Pot. A deep container used for cooking. I boiled pasta in a pot. The pot is perfect for making soup. Knife. A tool used for cutting. I used a knife to chop vegetables. Be careful with the sharp knife. Spoon. A utensil used for stirring or eating. I stirred the soup with a spoon. She ate rice with a spoon. Fork. A utensil with prongs used for eating. I use a fork to eat salad. He picked up the cake with a fork. Cutting board. A board used to cut ingredients on. I placed the vegetables on the cutting board. Use a separate cutting board for meat. Bowl. A round container used to mix or eat food. I mixed the ingredients in a bowl. She served soup in a bowl. Plate. A flat dish for serving food. I put the pasta on a plate. The plates are in the cupboard. Ingredient. A substance used in cooking. Flour is a main ingredient in bread. Fresh vegetables are important ingredients in soup. Mix/stir. To combine ingredients together. Mix the flour and sugar well. Stir the soup continuously. Boil. To heat a liquid until it bubbles. Boil water before adding pasta. The potatoes are boiling on the stove. Fry. To cook food in hot oil. She fried chicken for dinner. Fry the onions until golden brown. Bake. To cook food in an oven. I baked cookies for the party. Bake the cake for 30 minutes. Chop. To cut food into small pieces. Chop the onions finely. He chopped the vegetables for the salad. Serve. To give food to eat. She served dinner to the guests. I served the soup in small bowls.